Well, people with asthma and allergies need to be aware of indoor air quality because in actual fact, indoor air qualities can be quite poor. It can be much poorer, about 5 times poorer than outdoor air quality. The main triggers for people with asthma and allergies in their homes are firstly dust mite, secondly mould, thirdly pet dander, and in addition to that, you have the bushfires, the smoke, even barbecue smoke. You've also got weather events, so thunderstorm asthma, for example, can occur and draft the pollen up, and that can be critical. An air purifier assists people with asthma and allergies by drawing air in, taking the particulate matter and various compounds, sometimes even virus, out of the air, and then expelling clean air into the environment. If you have asthma or allergies, then the most important detail about your air purifier is the filter. Ideally, we like it to be a HEPA filter. That will give you the most efficient, take it down to 0.3 microns and actually remove any house dust mite that's in the atmosphere and a whole lot of other particulate matter in the air as well.